so good to see you. Happy Monday. So today we're gonna be opening up the Allure Beauty Box. And this is actually a collab with Huda Beauty. Allure runs $15 a month. It is plus tax, so I paid $16.05. And usually includes about 5 to 6, and it's usually a mix of full and sample size products. I'm so excited. I've been like waiting for this to show up. So let's open it up and see what I got. And this pamphlet usually includes everything that came in the box. I'll actually leave this for later as a recap. This is the bag that everything comes included. It's a nice pink color. Holy moly. Oh, wow. So at the bottom of the box, look at this. It's a picture of Huda. I wanted you to know it's a collab with Huda. Product from, I don't know how you pronounce this, Ouai Texturizing Hairspray. If you've been watching my channel, I just don't use the hair products that are usually included. I'm probably going to end up putting this in a giveaway. And apparently full size of this, $26. Look at this. Holy, this is going to be reflecting like crazy. This is an Intense Care Gold 24 karat snail hydrogel mask. I'm actually a fan of this particular brand. Every time I use their sheet masks, it's like amazing. So I am very, very happy. And I'm actually gonna try it right now. Oh, wow, I wonder if it really is. Whoa, okay. Ooh, it's a two-parter. Man, this is getting fancier by the minute. So this is the top bit, and it's actually in between. Oh my God, this is some fancy pants. This is super slippery. It smells amazing. Somehow I don't think this is how snails smell, but it smells really good. Wow, wow. This is so messy. Okay, oh, my mouth's through. Oh wow, there is a lot of serum on this, and it keeps slipping down. It keeps feeling like it's gonna like rip, but it's pretty sturdy. All right, I'm just gonna lay back for 20 to 30 minutes and I'll check back in. Oh, I love the top bit though. Like, what? It's such a strange texture. It's like gummy, but like you can see like the woven cloth. I'll bring it up close so you can kind of see it. It's a really odd texture. I poked a few holes in it because, I don't know, I guess I'm not as gentle as I like to think I am. It felt amazing on my skin. The only thing is, like, when you put it on, you have to like lay back because gravity does not do that thing any favors. It's like slipping, so I just keep readjusting it. And obviously, I got a big mouth, big face, doesn't fit. They need to start making masks in different sizes so people like me don't feel left out and I don't have to like the entire time. You know, I was a little sketched out by the whole snail thing, but this just feels so good. Whatever that serum is, I think this is probably the best mask I've used. It's $10. I would probably buy it again. So I have my eyes all done. It's a Too Faced Hangover primer. Yeah, feels good. So the full size of these runs $34. Huda Beauty. And these are her lashes in Samantha. Those look like a full pair of lashes. I am excited. Those are the lashes. I'm gonna tilt it so you can see the band. Looks like a pretty decent sized band. She included a like pamphlet with it. I don't understand. Oh, tells you how to put on the lashes. Well, I know how to put on lashes. I just don't know how to put them on well. These are probably one of the easiest lashes I've ever put on, but they're super light. I can barely see them. Really thin band, really pliable, so I can like mold them to my shape. They're not like trying to retract back to the original shape. Yeah, I'm a fan of these lashes. These lashes, I think it looks good. What do you think? They're like super light, super airy. I could fool people to believing these are actually my lashes, maybe. We got another Huda Beauty product. As from what I saw in the spoilers, this is actually a collab between Huda Beauty and Allure. Alluring. I really, really love their packaging for Huda Beauty. Ooh, it's actually like a little orangey. Look at that. I didn't see that coming. I thought it was red. I mean, it's like a fragrance. Oh wow. Really like this color. Deep burnt orange, reddish. It's like a whole bunch of colors in there. And it's a liquid matte. They didn't include a price in the booklet. I did look on Huda's website and their liquid mattes usually run for $20. But this is like a beautiful color. I like. KayAli. That's what it looks like on the inside. And it's vanilla, orchid, tonka, absolute, brown sugar, amber woods, and musk. Ooh, it's very musky. And you can smell the vanilla. This is a really good scent. I'm a fan of this. How much is it, Huda? So the standard size of this runs $65 and the large is $118. All right, so that was everything included in my Allure box. Have a good one. Bye.